BA Appliance Repair keeps Cincinnati homes running during winter appliance breakdowns. BA Appliance Repair Service provides fast, reliable home appliance repair in Cincinnati, OH, helping residents tackle unexpected breakdowns during the winter months. With over 40 years of experience, the company specializes in refrigerators, ovens, dishwashers, and stovetops across major brands, offering same-day service to minimize household disruptions. Their focus on expert diagnosis, quick repair, and cost-effective solutions ensures homeowners can maintain essential appliances without unnecessary replacements.